Experian, a global information services company, faced a challenge with employee attrition rates that were consistently higher than desired. They were dealing with turnover levels that were 3-4% above their target, which can be a significant concern for any organization due to the associated costs and disruptions. The analytical approach. To tackle this issue, Experian decided to leverage people analytics by building a predictive model. This model aimed to identify factors contributing to employee flight risk and provide insights to help mitigate those risks. The analytics team collected and analyzed a wide range of data points, encompassing approximately 200 attributes. Some of the key attributes included in the predictive model were team size and structure. The size and composition of teams within the organization were considered. Teams with more than 10 to 12 members were identified as a risk factor, potentially contributing to higher attrition. Supervisor performance. The performance and effectiveness of supervisors or managers were evaluated. Poor management practices can often lead to employee dissatisfaction and attrition. Length of commute. The distance and time employees spent commuting to work were taken into account. A longer commute was seen as a potential trigger for immediate flight risk. Predictive model and regional implementation. The predictive model developed by Experian's analytics team was designed to consider these and other attributes to predict which employees were at risk of leaving the company. This model wasn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, it was customized for different regions with slight variations in the predictive algorithm. Regional differences, such as cultural factors or local employment conditions, can influence turnover dynamics. Outcomes and benefits. By implementing this predictive model and leveraging the insights it provided, Experian reported significant improvements in their attrition rates over the course of 18 months. The outcomes included attrition reduction. Experian successfully reduced attrition rates by 2-3% during this period. Cost savings. The estimated savings resulting from the attrition reduction were substantial, ranging from $8 million to $10 million. These savings were primarily achieved through lower recruitment and training costs, as well as reduced productivity disruptions associated with employee turnover. Key takeaways. Experian's case study illustrates the power of people analytics in addressing employee attrition challenges. By analyzing various factors contributing to flight risk and customizing their predictive model for different regions, they were able to make data-driven decisions that significantly improved their retention rates and saved the company millions of dollars. This case underscores the importance of proactively identifying and addressing employee attrition factors using data and analytics, ultimately leading to better employee retention and cost savings for the organization.